Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save photo in Google Photos, turn on backup and sync your gallery automatically. So if you have too many storage on your phone, this is how you can instantly back up your gallery photos to Google Photos. First, you can just open the Google Photos application, this one. And you need to sign in with your Google account, and after that allow access to your photos. So you can just click on your photo at the top right corner, and here you'll see the turn on backup. As you guys can see, my backup is currently off, so what you need to do is just click on turn on backup, and in here tap on this again. And you can also manually upload gallery photos by going to the photo tabs in the Google Photos, and you can just tap and hold to select the photos and tap the cloud upload icon or the arrow up to back them up now. You can also just go long press on the photo. If you have more than one, you can select it like this, click on the three dots icon and click on back up now. And after that your photos will be backed up successfully, and now you can delete the local copies to save space on your phone. So if the backup is stuck, you need to make sure that you're on Wi-Fi and also the Google account is active and you have storage space in your Google account. So let me repeat the steps. You can just open the Google Photos applications and go to your settings in here by clicking on your photo at the top right corner and make sure that the backup is on. So to go on the options, back up the photos and videos of this device automatically, and after that your photos, all of it will be back up when you are newly take the photos. So that's how you can back up your gallery photos to Google Photos safe, sync, and stress-free. Like if this helps, subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more easy tech guides. Bye!